Hi, this is Albina Manning. Today we'll make this magic bracelet that actually has two parts. To put it together, you put one part over, then put another end under that loop and tighten it. To make this bracelet, we will need, of course, seed beads, then crimp pliers, chain nose pliers, two jump rings, one lobster clasp, two crimp beads, one bead tip, then beading wire and a bead stopper, which is optional. So since I have bead stopper, I put one on the end of the 10-inch beading wire. And you can slide the seed beads on your beading wire. You can pick up one by one, but it may take a while to pick up the beads. That I prefer to make a pile with my fingers and slide that beading wire on the very top surface. That goes much faster. So I will pick up about 8 inches of seed beads. Now fold wires in two and put both wire ends inside the crimping bead. And then when bead is there, push it down. And we will have to crimp it with the crimping pliers. So I have this type of crimping pliers. So the first crimp will be with the inner notch. Looks like a smile or like a moon shape. Then turn it and fold in two with a second notch like that. So this is a two-step crimping. You may have different crimping pliers. So now it's secure and we will cut off the excess wire. So cut it close to the crimping bead. Now pick up the bead tip. It's like a side clamp on with closed loop. Insert that crimp inside and using chain nose pliers, you have to kind of fold it and close that clamp. I'm kind of struggling here because it's so tiny. Now we have to attach the clasp, open the jump ring, slide the clamp on it, then the lobster clasp, and using a second chain of pliers, we have to close the jump ring like that. With the second half of the bracelet, we're just attaching one jump ring only. As a bonus, I'll show you how to put this bracelet on all by yourself, because the lobster clasp is not so easy to operate with one hand. I'm using the paper clip to help me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye-bye.